In this video, I will show you how to use CapCut AI script to video. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from GuideWise. On your CapCut homepage, you should see AI Video Maker. Select that and then choose Instant AI Video. You then have different style options that you can choose from. So I will choose realistic. You can then choose the aspect ratio 16:9 or 9:16. So because this is for social media, I will use 9:16. Then you can generate a script by entering your topic here, and CapCut will help turn it into a script, or you can manually enter your script. So I will select generate script and get help from CapCut. So I would like my video to be informative on animals, specifically lions. You can then select the voice that you would like to use and how long you want this video to be. Once you have added all the information in, simply select create. Once your video has processed, you can preview it. And if you'd like to make any edits, you can go into the left section and simply select the three dots. You can delete it, duplicate it, or add your own media. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.